video. Lancer GSR. So we have also installed a mega squirt MS3 ECU. We're going to tune it. Actually, that's already the base tune, and we will do a street tune later on. So after street tuning, we decided to take it on the dyno for our first dyno run. So here on our first dyno run, we found out that the street tune gave a 115 wheel horsepower, and then we turned it out to 130 horsepower, and on the last output it went to a 140 wheel horsepower. We have found some radical issues here on the engine, so we took it home and fixed it first, including the idling issues. After a couple of weeks of working on the car and fixing some of the minor issues we've seen on the engine, we're back on the dyno session to get the numbers that we are actually looking forward to.
140 wheel on this car. Ngayon, napaabot natin 162. So, sabi ko malakas. Last na from the last dyno. Thinking that yung tranny nito is 4G92 SOC 1.6 tranny lang. So, hindi siya naka-Mivec tranny. What more kung naka-Mivec tranny, baby? We could push it to 180 wheel horsepower. Tsaka sinusubukan ko siya i-rev cut ng 8.5. Dun umuusok yung clutch eh. So binaba natin rev cut to 8,000. O mas mababa pa nga actually. Pero mamax ko muna sa dyno na 8,000.
We did a full restoration job on this car, from the body to the paint to the engine and full car harness. We tried to make it close to a brand new condition like it came out from the dealership in the 90s. From a 97 specs, we facelifted it to a 99 to 2000 specs of Mirage Asti or Gen 2 Mirage Cyborg with a one-piece headlight. It is a 4G93 Mivec engine. This engine doesn't exist from the factory. It is a most common build in Malaysia where they use it for street racing. So you use a 1.8 block with a 4G92 Mivec head, best paired with a standalone ECU so you can control the activation point of the high revving cams and take advantage of the extra power it gives when it kicks in. This is similar with the Honda VTEC engine. We fabricated a stainless air filter box and an intake pipe, including the battery tray relocation. We also installed 3 rows full aluminum radiator for better cooling. Cusco front strut bar, this is a Japan surplus but we restored it like the original one, including the paint and polishing of it to make it like brand new. Brand new Evo 456 coolant reserve tank. Newly rebuilt engine from scratch. Lahat ng ginamit nating parts dito are genuine original Mitsubishi parts, katulad ng bearings, piston rings, oil seals, timing belts, etc. etc. At talagang dinetail natin siya like brand new condition or close to brand new. As you can see, yung mga bolts, brackets are zinc plated or synchromated na para siyang lumabas sa kasa from the 90s. We still use the stock 4.2 headers from the Mivec engine. Then we fabricated the 2-to-1 downpipe connecting to the cutback system going to the muffler. We fabricated a 2.5-inch diameter full exhaust for this car, and we use an HKS muffler also.